mazingira hasa kaunti ya Kisii.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Biamuno mulikito Frida Kerubo hasorobochirwa senchera ayobo ikirano mochumulire kwendera kumulikira ali abakao kolekana seri tukulia le Jumatatu omugavana we county ya Nyamira Nyaribo maiga yogo tiegesire ananaso kwamererwa kwobo choli bwaye ono bakolekana to mwaka bwechirwe na meronge bere nebere na maiga yaye kigambero kumwanchira kogendera ko omugavana niga sentundende bondo tukulia lero haikabosio bwe bunge ya seneta eriko nyara kwereria maboli yahalengetie kyo butumiki bwenibo anechibe sase county ya Nyamira asege karo kiale yogekera gwano mo seneta Otieno Kajwanga ni Moses Kajwanga ni governor wa kwanda mange habwasi Nyaribo abagakwegerera nagote yabuna kibasi che county niko kigandrete kutumeka senchire ndonge niko chinga kye Nyaribo abagakobuligwa insechi wikibere anyale kubwatoka abakolimere mu bonsi amalietabo bali balikire ase county Nyamira nabego nemeremeri bagokora nabaiganyale kubeka kogekolengani gwa kire ward una nibwata mabaga ebwenta okora nanda bokolengano mu governor we county Nyamira igate yabune county Nyamira nigebwata bakoli emeremo chiri bunye kimye isano na isato abwase Seneti yagani kumanyabuna omurobuli otumegeta sokonyara kobalika bakolemere mu kiri bunye kimyesa na isato ase county ya Nyamira nego chinga kiechibwa igaro butumeke bwechibesa buna mbura tumeka bobe asaboiga kwa namangana y'abakolemere membeo ase county ya Nyamira.
No, they could be in the range of 500 to 1,000. It's not I feel like an yes.
You know, Governor, I want to be a proud member of Nyamira.
Yes.
And we want to work with you on this. You know, I saw the governor of Kisii has already given a big 1,500. That's why we wanted to get an indication. What?
It's a work in progress. Therefore, I cannot just guess. I cannot guess.
Governor, so when you say it's work in progress, what's going on right now and what is expected completion date?
In 1 month's time, they will report.
In 1 month's time?
Yes.
So, but right now, what's going on?
They have taken out the target, they have captured, they are doing analysis.
You have outsourced or it's being done by the County Public Service Board?
No, it's